So to fix this address issue, the issue I ran into is because we need to make sure that we have it like this. And then secondly, we just need to make sure that we specify on mount the ID of the address, so that's always selected by default unless you select something else. And I've just called it address model to make sure it doesn't interfere with anything. So if I go back in here now, you are able to see that if we go down to t-shirts here, click blue, and then I can just go ahead and click checkout, and we can enter the card number. Just wait for it to refresh. Let's head back in here. And we got an address ID. So lastly, I just want to show you how we're going to provide the notifications in Livewire. So let's go ahead and install this package, which, sorry, I'm just going to get into the right page here. So let's go ahead and install this package here from the Livewire Toaster package, which is compatible with Livewire 3. Publish the configurations. And all we then need to do is inside the checkout page saying toaster.success order placed successfully. And that's it. Now we are able to, if we go back in, create an order. Oh, and by the way, before we do this, let's just don't forget to add this toaster hub here, which we add into the add.blade.php file. Make sure you add that in. I'm gonna just pay for this here. And let's actually make this a couple of products. Let's just make this 4 products and then say Matilde 4242. Pay for it. And this didn't go through this time. Let's just double check why that is. So we need to make sure that we have this toaster success and that in the app.blade.php for the relevant place, let's just make sure we're doing it in here. So I'm gonna add it down here. I'm gonna add it into the guest one. And let's just double check. See what's going on now. And it's still not going through, so let's inspect here. Toaster hub is not defined. Oh yeah, because we need to import this as well to JavaScript file. So go into your app, the JS file, pass this code in. Let's go ahead and add this to the cart. And let's see what's going on. Perfect. And there we go. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.